Airflow. The rotation of the vertical wind farm is created by airflow, wind power. The aerodynamic shield prevents the adverse impact of the airflow on the rotation of the wind farm and eliminates the noise emission. Aerodynamic shield optimizes and direct air wind flows tangentially to the rotation circle, which increases the efficiency of the wind farm and the leverage effect. Performance doesn't depend on the direction of airflow. The concentration of airflow is created by streamlined structures built in the shape of a flower and forming a building, giving the entire structure of the installation a monolithic architectural form. Cost of wind energy complex will amount to no more than 4–6% of the building cost. Here is comparison of the Vetter wind farm with wind farms of the classic type. Harmony with existing buildings and the environment. The possibility of placement directly in an urban environment. There is no energy loss. Remoteness from inhabited places. Infrastructure costs. Losses of 7% of energy when transmitting over distances. Safety. No noise. Low-speed design ensures noiselessness. There is no infrasound. The presence of intense noise up to 70 dB and infrasound, which has an adverse impact on the nervous system of living creatures. Power generation is possible at wind speeds of 4 meters per second. The possible height of the building is more than 190 meters. The ability to use a gravity energy storage. The possibility of airflow concentration. The larger the area of the plates, the more energy. The airflow direction is carried out along a tangential line to the rotation circle of the blades. Workability doesn't depend on wind direction.